Unfolding the magic of my, mastering first-person singular possessive adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus is on possessive adjectives, specifically the first-person singular form, my. Possessive adjectives are a small but crucial part of English grammar that can help make your communication smoother and more precise. So, let's get started. The term, my, is a possessive adjective that is used to show ownership or possession. It is always followed by a noun and is used to express that the noun belongs to the speaker. Some examples include phrases like, my book, my car, my dog. In each case, the word my is indicating that the book, the car, or the dog belongs to the speaker. Now that we've understood what my is, let's see it in action in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. This is my cat, Whiskers. 2. I've lost my keys. Have you seen them? 3. My friend, Lily, is coming over for dinner tonight. In each of these sentences, my is used to indicate something that belongs to or is associated with the speaker. While my is relatively simple to use, there are still some common mistakes learners can make. One such mistake is forgetting to include a noun after my. Remember, my should always be followed by a noun. It's also important to know that my doesn't change form whether the noun it's modifying is singular or plural. For instance, it's my book and also my books. So there you have it, the fundamentals of using the possessive adjective, my. Remember, it's a small word but it carries significant meaning. The use of my can help add clarity to your sentences and help you communicate more effectively in English. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll continue exploring the world of English grammar. Until then, happy learning!